So monitors are a very useful and powerful way of displaying information in your NetLogo simulations. So that is why I, Jacob Spencer,
And I, Eduardo Villarreal, are here to teach you how to implement monitors into your simulations.
so why use monitors at all? What are their advantages and what is their value? Well, monitors are a very powerful way to display information. As seen here in this little snapshot of the wolf sheep predation model that can be found in the NetLogo models library, we have three monitors and a graph. Each of these three monitors displays a certain variable. The first one is the amount of sheep, the second amount of wolves, and the third the amount of grass.
They provide a precise value of a variable. All three, the sheep, the wolves, and the grass, are all presented through the simulation. As the wolves eat the sheep eat the grass, and the wolves die off in time.
These monitors, they're real time, so users can see the variable's value at any given point in the simulation. So if ever when you were running the simulation you wanted to see exactly how many sheep there were, you could just look to your monitor and a very precise and accurate value will be there.
When using cohesion with a graph, the variables and values can be displayed very effectively.
So in order to show you exactly how to implement monitors into your simulation to gain the advantages of using them, we created this simple simulation or video game in NetLogo that uses the monitors to display a character's stats.
As you can see, the player's speed stays at a constant 5 throughout the game, as he is only moving 5 spaces left, right, up, or down. The player's health, he just got hit, but the player's health starts at 100. Whenever he gets hit, he loses 5 health every time he gets hit by a football, as you can see right there. The ticks or the points are determined by the ticks. The more ticks you survive, the higher your points go.
So here's the NetLogo code that is used to run this simulation that we have just displayed. In the code, we begin by defining our turtle zone variables. These are the variables that are specific to the different turtles. And we've created three that are speed, points, and health. You may also notice that these three turtle zone variables are also the variables that are used in these three monitors.
The health variable goes down by 5 every time he gets hit by a football, as shown in the simulation that we already showed. Every time he gets hit, it's minus 5. The points are set with the ticks, so every time the ticks go up, the points go up as well. So the longer the player survives, the more points you get. The speed is always set at 5 at a constant, so it is forward speed at 90 degrees or 270 depending on which button the player picks. Alright, now we will teach you how to actually make a monitor. First, you have to select the monitor from the selection list, as seen here. We click the add, or it already clicks it for you, and then we just press anywhere you want it to be. You can pick a display name and anything in the other things displayed here. You can make it any name you want that will be shown. You can make the decimal places as many as you want, and the font size as many as you want to your liking. So it could be 12, 11, or 100 if you wish. The reporter section is where you will actually put in the code to show what will be displayed on your monitor.
In our code here, in our little video game, we use turtle zone variables. So to display our turtle zone variables on our monitor, like our speed, health, and points, we use this format of code here. This is an if-else value statement, and what it is essentially doing is it's saying, if there is a value, any value, of turtle zero's speed, display that speed. If not, display the numerical value of 0. So if there is any value of turtle zero's speed, it'll display that speed. If there is no value assigned to it, it'll simply display the numerical value of 0. You can also in these monitors display any other type of variable, whether it be globals, turtle zone, or any other type, and You display these variables much in a similar fashion as you would plotting the variables in a graph. Thank you for watching, and today you have learned the importance monitors play in a simulation and their value in displaying variables and information accurately and precisely. And we've also taught you how to apply them into your own simulations and how to use them in video games or in any other sort of project you wish to do.
This was brought to you by Jacob Spencer, Eduardo Villarreal, and Kimberly Jones
of Tracy High School. Go Bulldogs!